How to fix, please check your connection and try again support code C14B. In today's video, I will show you how to fix, please check your connection and try again. Support code C14B. After opening the settings, you need to search for Snapchat application. Then open the storage option, and after turning on the storage option, you have to delete the clear cache and the clear data. Now you need to restore your internet connection. Turn on and then off flight mode option. After restoring your internet connection, you need to tap on App Details and Store. Update your Snapchat app and then open it. Allow all the permission, then open it. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you fix the C14B error, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fix and Guide for more easy tech solutions. Pro.